Hello children, how are you? Children, in the last video we studied to identify noun clauses in the sentences, and I told you that noun clause is one of the types of subordinate clause, and I told you two tricks how to identify noun clauses. So we discussed this one, answer of what, and I hope that you all have understood. And today we'll discuss how to identify noun clause if we see be after no be before clause और after clause. We know clause क्या होते हैं. So be की different forms होती हैं. You all must be knowing is MR, was, were, been and being. So any of the forms of be comes before clause. A clause should be noun or after clause. Then we will be able to identify confidently that it is going to be a noun clause. For example, she is a pretty as she is wise. Now she is. Now if you see, this is also a noun and this is also a noun. This is so this we will understand this is a noun clause. He is miserly though he is rich. Again, before is noun has come, so it will be, and here also, so it will be noun clause. The class had been running smoothly, students said. Now the class had been. Now if you see children, this is again a noun and this is form of be running smoothly. Then we will again understand this is a noun clause. The whole sorry, यहाँ पर class होगा, ठीक है. There is no space to write. So the whole class was happy when the exam got cancelled. So now again see the whole again it is a noun. The whole class is a noun and was क्या है, form of be. Parents are not responsible for what Billy did. ठीक है. So parents again noun है and इसके बाद are आया है. Are is the form of be. So now again it will be easy for us to understand, to identify noun clause in between the sentences, right? Now we'll see today what is adjective clause, right? So adjective clause, again it works as an adjective. Adjective clause works as an adjective, and we know what is adjective. Adjective that modifies noun or pronoun, right, or tells the quality of nouns and pronouns. Now adjective clauses may, what you need to understand is antecedent. Antecedent is a term that I have explained here. An earlier words or phrase or phrases or clause to another word refers back, right? So antecedent एक वर्ड होता है जो कि अपने ठीक पहले के जो वर्ड्स हैं, फ्रेज है, क्लॉज को रिफ़र करता है, इंडिकेट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई नो द प्लेस वेयर ही लिव्स. सो इफ़ यू सी दिस वेयर इज़ एन antecedent. So this where is indicating or referring to this place. So now here easily we can identify what is adjective clause. So adjective clause always has an antecedent. Antecedent एक होता है. I told you that what is antecedent, that there is a word or a phrase, कोई क्लॉज होता है जो कि ठीक पहले के, जो उसके पीछे वाला वर्ड होता है उसको रिफ़र करता है, इंडिकेट करता है. नंबर 2, आई वॉच्ड द मैच दैट वॉज प्लेड बाय माई स्कूल. नाउ आई वॉच्ड द मैच. नाउ चिल्ड्रन इफ यू सी दिस, दैट इज रिफरिंग और इंडिकेटिंग दिस मैच, ठीक है. सो अगेन we'll see that it is an adjective clause. I know the time when they called you. Now again, I know the time. So now this time is referred by when इसको refer कर रहा है, so when is an antecedent. Now comes the fourth example. We can't recognize the place because it is pitch dark. Pitch dark means बहुत dark night. So we can't recognize the place because it. Now children, the place को refer कर रहा है it, right? So this it is going to be an antecedent. I explained those topics which are not taught yet. Now those topics are referred by this word which. So this which is going to be an antecedent, and by this only we'll recognize this is an adjective clause. I hope this you have understood, and any doubt left, in case you can ask me. Now we'll discuss the last clause. Now comes adverb clause. Now adverb clause क्या होता है? That works as adverb, and apart from it, it answers WH word. WH words other than what? It means what के अलावा जो भी WH words होते हैं, when, where, why, how is not WH word but it is counted, which, these are the WH words जिसको आंसर करता है adverb clause. For example, again let me just make you understand. Adverb clause works as adverb की तरह काम करता है, and answers, और answer किसको करता है? WH other than what के अलावा जितने भी WH words होते हैं उनको आंसर करता है, when, where, why, how. Now see, audience was happy because Dhoni played so well. अब audience was happy why? So why means it is going to be an adjective clause. So this line is answering the question why. Don't talk to him when he misbehaves. So why one should not talk to him? क्यों नहीं बात करना चाहिए? Because वो misbehave करता है. So this why is answering, don't talk to him. This is asking for the question why. Next example, you can go where you want to go. Again, मतलब in this sentence only if you see where is coming, so where again is a WH word that will answer कि जहाँ तुम जाना चाहो जा सकते हो. So this where is an adjective clause, adverb clause. He buys it as it works for long. So he buys it. क्यों buy खरीदा? Because it works for long. So again this line is answering the why question. He explained the topic so well that we have understood clearly. Now how he has explained the topic, कैसे explain करा है? Very well. ठीक है. So here we are talking about the process of the manner of a work or a verb. That's why it is going to be an adverb clause. So students, these are the very few examples when we practice rather. So we will understand it very clearly. Don't worry about the topics. And again watch this video 2-3 times, and then any doubt left, or I would ask you to create your own example, go through NED and get some more example, and then ask me why is it so, right? So thank you children, bye bye, take care.